Hey everybody, we're sawmilling today. Actually, really the first time I've sawmilled. So, everybody else makes it look cool when they do the big reveal, so I decided to do the same thing. And what we've got on here right now is a yew log. This came right here local. It was a dead tree. I didn't cut it down bucking. It wasn't alive. Well, I did cut it down, but it wasn't alive when I cut it down. Anyway, just ran our first cut, and here's what the top piece looks like. And I want to remind everybody, I have no idea what I'm doing. I was showed how to do this, I think, one time. Cut a couple boards you can see down here just for play off the cedar log, and now I want to see what kind of slabs we can get out of this yew wood. Sure looks pretty already. And this has been dead for, I don't know, 5 years. Log's been on the ground for, well, the log's been on the ground for about 5 years. It's been dead longer than that. Anyway, got some pretty cool lines to it. I'm not sure what all we'll get out of it though, because it's mostly I think it's rotten in the middle. So this is mostly for fun. See what we got. Like I said, pretty rotten. Pretty though. So before I reveal these slabs, half rotten they may be, I just want to point out that my neighbor was gracious enough to let me use this thing, and what a blessing it's been. Now, I've only done, what, 3 slabs on it now, and a little bit of lumber, but I'm having fun with it every second I get. Ooh.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's pretty wood. Look at the purples. Maybe we'll pause it and I'll go get some water. That is so pretty. Let's see what we got.
Oh, that's really pretty. Lots of color.
That'll fill with epoxy.
Hey, for anybody that's watching, this is my dad, Dave. Should get a scraper. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Here we go.
Little added grass.
Did I even cut that yet?
No.
No.
What, this one?
That was this one you cut off.
Did he get you?
Yeah.
That's all right. Oh, that's so pretty.
We'll probably make something out of these.
Yeah, those blade lines will come off pretty easy.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to.
Yeah.
Well, again, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm having fun.